You know, just this, the GoPro with this, so this I'm gonna connect to the GoPro and we'll test some scenarios and see how good GoPro with the Rode wireless combinations. Let's go to the park and check it out. All right, we are at the park. Oh, there's a tree here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this down and let's see if I can climb this tree. Maybe I can. Oh yeah, this is an easy one. But can you hear me while I am climbing this tree? Can you hear me? That is the main question. Oh, okay, this is not very safe. So I'm gonna head back. Yeah. Oh, that worked. Let's check out the next. You see what I'm seeing? It's a tree. It's a fallen tree which is acting as a bridge. Can you hear the water? Maybe not, because we are over here and the water is over there. All right, so now I'm gonna go that side and see if you can hear the water when I'm near the water, and let's see how that goes. So I'm gonna walk away from the camera. I'm gonna cross the stream. Okay, can you hear the water, sound of the running water? Loud and clear. I can even bring the mic down to the water. Let me do that. I'm gonna take the mic out and bring it down to the water. Okay, it's very close to the water. You can hear it. Yeah, that was a test for clarity. If you heard that sound very clear, then it's nice and it's working. So I'm walking away from the water. I'm going to this tree again. Oh, you can see the tree. How nice. So just walk around. Maybe I can go far. All right, so this should be a 10-second clip. I'm gonna run back to the camera while talking to the camera. Okay, where is the camera? I'm running. Oh, I can't see the camera. Oh, it's over there. I need to find a way to get to the camera. And yeah, hopefully you can hear what I'm saying while I'm running to the camera. Oh, camera is on that side. Okay, there's a rock here. Yeah, I need to cross the bridge. Oh, there's water. What I'm gonna do? Yes, jumping over thing. Yes, I'm over here. Yeah, made it. Whew. Same bridge, different angle. So I'm gonna walk that way and come back. Oh, okay. The bridge is still the same, but it's getting warmer. California is sunny again. The clouds are clearing. So we'll go that way. It's not slipping. Yeah, because I think this is a regularly used bridge, so there's no algae. Yeah. Okay, so this is the last test. The selfie stick is fully extended. I'm gonna walk around with the selfie stick extended. So hopefully you can hear me and be in the first person, or not the first person. See what I'm doing, like while I'm doing it, you know what I mean? Yeah, that thing. So the selfie stick is fully extended and we are going down to the water. Oh, yeah, hopefully that didn't. You can see the water behind me. Can you hear the water? Like I hear it because the mic is closer to my mouth, so that should be loud, but the water is still making a sound. So if this mic is really powerful, it should pick up that sound also. Yeah, and we are still going. Okay, it's a nice day. in sunny Southern California. Somebody's bathing their dog. Okay, that's good. Another small puddle of water making the noise. I think we'll go up to there and then head back. So what do you think about the selfie stick? The GoPro so far? Say hello to your new friend. Hello. Hey. I think it's a very friendly dog. Hello. Oh, he got shy. It's not very... Yeah, it's gone. Alright, so I don't think this is a trail because it stops right here, but people always find a way around it. So, yes, they do. There's a little path right here, so let's follow this footpath, which is not exactly a trail. The trail is over there. That is a trail, and this is made by people who want access to the water. Somebody put some flowers, which is nice. Okay, can you hear any wind noise? I hope not. This is a fantastic mic, and I approve this mic because the sound quality is fantastic, and with the thing you don't hear the wind noise. Those were the 2+ I was looking for, and now you don't have to you don't really have to think about the gear. You don't have to be closer to the mic. You can just put the camera down, forget about the gear, and do your stuff. Because it's filming the whole time, and then it comes with the audio. You don't have to do a voiceover or anything. So that's why I think this is the best vlogging setup. The best vlogging setup. The only problem is when you want to interview somebody else, you want to talk to somebody else, so you have to give them the mic. Not a big deal. That doesn't happen often. And also, one of the coolest thing is if I want to show with the shotgun mic, if I turn the camera away from me, the mic won't pick up my voice. But with this, I just turn the camera around. You can still hear me loud and clear while you see what I'm showing you. This is fantastic. This is huge. All right, that's it for this test, and we are done here. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and like button, all those buttons. We're done here. Okay, bye.